In today's video, we dive into the Sony Lavalier microphone, a high-quality mic that we purchased for around 700 from Amazon. After eagerly waiting for a week, it has finally arrived, and we can't wait to put it to the test. Join us as we unbox the microphone, careful, sealed and accompanied by instruction manuals. We take a closer look, examining its gold-plated cable and security clothing clip. The built-in orientation indicator ensures optimal audio quality, while the included cotton protector for prevents damage. Next, we conduct an audio test comparing recordings with and without the microphone. Pay close attention to background sound like my dog scraping movements or the fan noise. Experience the significant improvement in sound quality provided by this microphone. Finally, we test microphone with background music. Showcasing its ability to enhance clarity and sharpness, and compare the recordings with without the microphone to truly appreciate the difference. That wraps up today's video. We hope this review has provided valuable insights into the capabilities of the Sony Lavalier microphone. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing to your channel for more red light content. Thank you for your support and will we see you in the next video.